Now that the panel is out of the box, let's install the feet and get it on the TV stand. Get the feet out of the plastic bag they came in. These feet each work on either side of the TV. Line up the slots on the feet with the pegs on the back of the panel. Now place the feet flat, down in the slot and push toward the top of the panel. You should feel them click in. You can find more information about where to place the feet and do's and don'ts in the Unpacking and Installation Guide. Now you and your friend can pick up the TV and place it where you'll be watching. Make sure you don't pinch the panel or carry it by the corners. Now we're ready to remove the protective plastic. Make sure you only remove the stuff that's meant to be taken off. Don't pick at the edges of the screen. Now just plug the TV in and set it up to enjoy next-level entertainment.